Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on facility layout of company. My name is Snehal Moni and I am a student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I am submitting this presentation to Mr. Kushal Rajput sir. He is my assistant professor. So, what is facility layout? Facility layout is the space Facility layout is a space in which business activities takes place. Layout shows how the work will perform. It includes your departments, your workstation, elements, and other physical spaces. It's the This is facility layout which shown on a screen. There is storage, workshop, fire station, emergency water, laboratory, plant area, tank farm, your office, your canteen, plant utilities. These are the pipelines, the roads. This is the basically like your graph. It depends on the requirement of a space of the elements, how the elements will be arranged within a layout. The space available with the facility itself, there is a space. Now, question to be addressed. How much space and capacity is center need? Here is the storage. Here, the storage has to set how much there will be a storage area for your finished good, your material, your work in progress, and what will be the capacity of the storage area. Next is what center should what center should be what center should the layouts include? There are centers like your plant utilities, your canteen, your office, your workshop, fire station, laboratories. These are the centers. There, where should each center should be located? Now, the each center, how should the each center should be located? If you are working in the plant area, there should be a nearest your fire station, your workshops, your equipment storage, your storage areas, your laboratory. Your plant area should be near shipment, entering, and all the records should be maintained. Now, plant layout principles. Principles, minimum travels. The setup should be if you are arranging your machinery 1, 2, and 3. If the machinery 1 is working, your products and your available material should be not far away from the machine 1. There should be near your machine 2. So, your minimum travel, your traveling will be reduced. For if the worker is working on machinery 1 and he needs some equipment, he will go there and he will come back. It will take too much time. Now, the sequence, the machinery should be arranged in a sequence. If your machinery 1 is there nearby, beside the machinery 1, there should be machinery 1, 2, and 3. Your equipment should be nearby. And uses means the space of the layout should be used properly. The uses, there should be not an empty space, or empty space means which the space is not your need, we can't use it, it is an empty. This is your safety and satisfaction. The worker are working on the stations, there should be a safety, your fire stations, gloves, your uh, goggles, helmets, all should be nearby him. Then the worker will be feel like safety and they will get satisfaction from their work. Compartments, flexibility, and minimum investment. Like investments are minimum investment. If you are invest The whole investment should be not invest in your layout only. The layout, there should be a minimum investment. You will not only have to prepare your layout, but you have to produce your product also. So all the investment should be not invest in your layout area. Flexibility means the layout should be flexible. It should be, if you are reducing your capacity of product, then the layout should be used. It should be taken consume your reducing the capability or storage. If you're increasing your storage, your capability, it should be consume your increasing storage and capability. So next are types of layout. There are four types of layout: product, process, hybrids, and fixed position. So now in a product, machines are arranged in a line depends upon a product sequence. If you are preparing a product one, then the machine of product two should be arranged by beside a product one. First machine outcomes becomes the next machine input. The outcome from machine one comes outside and it goes in the in the second machine. Then the first outcome machines becomes the second outcome machine inputs. Now next is a process. For a job lot, manufacture or a batch production involves together or similar machines in one department. Next is hybrid. Hybrid layouts can reduce cost by using machines that can produce a multiple product. Next is a fixed position. I have shared an example of fixed position. If you are producing a big product like your you're preparing a aircraft. The aeroplane size is a big. You need a big platform. The aeroplane is in a big size, so the parts of the aeroplanes are also heavy. You can't prepare the wings of your aeroplanes in another stations, the wheels of your aeroplanes in another station. It takes too much time to join all the parts. So there is a one workstation where all the equipments, your workstations comes together and produce the uh, goods at the one place. Next is the scope of facilities layout. I have related to materials and related to the workplace. Less materials handlings and minimum transportation cost we see in our layout also. Least wasting of time in a process inventory. Next is related to your workplace. Safe working conditions from the point of ventilation, lighting. If the workers are working, there should be a proper lights, ventilations, fans, windows, ACs, everything. There should be not suffocation field for the employee. Minimum movements of worker. There should be a minimum movements of worker in the layout. If they are working on a one stations, if they need anything like equipments or another another things, they can't go here and there. There will be a wastage of time. Least chance of accidents like fire, shock circuits. If you are working in a plant station, there should be a fire station nearby the layout. If the incident happens, something goes wrong, there should be equipments like your fire stations, your uh, fire stations should be nearby. If fires go, immediately the water will come and fire will be closed. Next is a proper space for machine worker tools. There should be not mix up or machines tools are lying here and there. Your worker are here or there should be in a proper manners. Machine should be kept in a machine station. Worker should be performed on a worker. Tools area should be maintained in a tools area, etc. Next is objectives of facility layout. The first objective is minimum material handling cost. Next is utilizes space and labor efficiency. Facility communication, reduce manufacturing cycle times or customer service time, promote products and service quality, and many other. Objectives is for pro- Objectives of facility layouts is to reduce your errors, your mistakes, and for your good efficiency to the product. Next, conclusion. Summary, repack the current layout, scope of layout, objects of layout, and types of layout. Future outlooks, discuss how the layout will evolve with the future needs, technological advancements, or expansion. Key takeaway, efficient facility layouts is essential for productivity, cost saving, and employee satisfaction. Thank you.